Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up another set of the WP XACT Pro 6500 inserts. This is for a 2023 KTM 350 SXF. This is for a fast X Pro rider. So we did do a JBI suspension revalve on the internals. We firmed them up a fair bit from how they come from WP. Also, he wanted to get some of the JBI titanium rainbow bolts. Again, so the WP XACT 6500 Pro fork, very similar to the cone valve. It's got external preload adjuster, compression adjustment in the center, and rebound adjustment on the bottom. This is a dual spring, dual cartridge fork. So each fork has a spring inside of it, and each fork has a cartridge inside of it. Very similar components to a cone valve. The key difference is instead of a cone valve mid valve, this has a mid valve that is much more similar to a KYB mid valve, which a lot of people tend to like very much. Again, we revalved these to our JBI Suspension motocross spec. Well, actually our JBI Suspension Pro motocross spec, because even though a lot of people really like how these inserts come straight from WP, if you're a faster rider or more aggressive, they can be a little bit on the soft side. So with proper spring rates for him, along with some firmed up valving from us, this is gonna work really good for this guy. He was quite happy with the stock rear shock. So that shock is sitting how it is for right now. But likely after he gets these back and rides it some more, they'll be sending in the shock so we can build in a matching setting for it as well. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. You can also call us too. Again, my name is JB. Thank you for watching. Any questions, feel free to call or email.